Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be solving the daily Leetcode challenge for October 11, 2024. The problem number is 1942. The problem name is the number of smallest unoccupied chairs. It is a medium problem. It belongs to the topic of arrays, hash table and heap or priority queue. The primary concept of the problem is arrays. The hash table and priority queue are used to achieve the synchronization in the problem. So here is the problem description. There is a party where n friends are numbered from 0 to n-1 are attending. There is an infinite number of chairs in the party numbered from 0 to infinity. When a friend arrives the party, they sit on the unoccupied chair with smallest number. For example, if chairs 0, 1 and 5 are occupied, when a friend comes, they will sit on the chair number 2 as there is no chair less than 2 is available. When a friend leaves the party, the chair becomes unoccupied. Okay. At the moment they leave, if another person arrives, they can sit on the same chair. Okay, let us take an example. 0, 1 and 5 are occupied chairs. If a new friend comes and the friend in the 0 leaves the party at the same moment, the new friend can directly sit on the chair 0. You are given a 0 indexed 2D array named twin times. The times represent arrival and leaving times of the ith friend respectively. An integer target friend will be given to us. We have to return the on which chair the target friend will sit. Okay, let us intuit the first test case. The first test case times are like this. 1 for the friend 0, arrival time is 1 and leaving time is 4. For the friend 1, arrival time is 2 and leaving time is 3. For the friend 2, the arrival time is 4 and leaving time is 6. Okay, the friend 0 arrives. He will directly sit on the chair 0 as there is all chairs are unoccupied. The friend 1 arrives. He will directly sit on the chair 1 as the 0 chair is occupied. The friend 1 0 leaves at the time of 4 and friend 2 enters the party at time 4. So he will directly sit on the chair 0 as it becomes unoccupied. So the target friend is 1. The target friend will remain in chair 1 itself. We have to return the 1. Okay.
The explanation of the following problem is like this. You will be given with an array called times. It is a 2D array. The representation of 2D array is like this. It is a pair of arrival and a leaving time of friends attending the party. We have to find the smallest chair that is assigned to a target friend. To achieve this, the initialization has to be done with 3 arrays. First one is seats. It is a 1D array, integer array, represents the track of which chairs are occupied. Initially all values are 0, meaning all seats are unoccupied. If it is 1, the seat will be occupied. Okay, after seats we have to initialize another array called leaving time. It is also initially to track the each seat will become available at what time. Initially all values are 0 in the leaving time also, as no friends have arrived at. Example, consider this array. If any friend has left at a specific time, that is the first one has left 2 time, this represents the first share will be available by time 2. Okay, we have to initialize a main array called order. It is also a 1D integer array, but it is a wrapper class array to keep track of original order of friends. Initially this stores the indices of friends starting from 0 to n. If we will be given with 3 friends in the test cases, sample test cases. So let us create an order for 3 friends. The initial order will be 0, 1, 2. If we consider a times array of 3, 10, 1, 5 and also 2, 6. This is the 0th friend, first friend, second friend. We have to sort the order in such a way that who has the lowest arrival time has to come friend. The one has the lowest arrival time, so he will be coming first. After that, the 0th chair will be occupied by 1, second chair will be occupied by friend 2. As he comes second, order will be like 2, 0, as 1 has the lowest arrival time, 2 has the second lowest arrival time and 0 has the highest arrival time, in such a way that the order should be sorted. Okay, After the sorting of the order, we have to traverse the array main array times the processing of friends in a arrival order. Okay, the friend 1 arrives, check if any seats are free in the available chairs. Initially all the seats are free, so he will directly assign into the seat 0, that is chair 0. The seat will be updated to 100 and leaving time will be updated to 500 as the leaving time of 1 is 5. Okay, and the friend 2 comes and he checks for available chairs. He will be sitting in this chair 2 as chair 1 as it is the lowest chair available, and the leaving time and seating time will be updated like this. The leaving time of the chair second friend is 6, so 6 will be updated to leaving time. And because this represents first friend, this represents second friend, this is the 0th friend with highest arrival time. The order of the friends is 1 2 0. The first one sits first, the second friend sits second, the 0th friend sits third. Okay,
as follows. N represents the number of friends in the times array. For this, the n will be 3. Seats represents the total number of available chairs or the chairs that has to be filled. Leaving time represents the person will be leaving at what time, and the order represents the order of friends who has to sit first, afterwards who has to sit next. I have filled indices into the order by using a normal for loop I equal to 0 to n. Okay, I have sorted the order in such a way that with respect to two times, who has the lowest arrival time will be put into first. For the test case for 1 1 4 2 3 4 6, the order will be like the 1 will come first, that means 0. The 2 0 1 2, as 1 has the lowest arrival time, 2 has the second arrival time, and 4 is the next arrival time. The target friend is 1. So after the order sorting out, the each element is taken into the index using a colon operator in a for loop. So the colon operator works as the first 0 comes into the index, the operation performs. If the operation completes, the one has will be coming to the index, the operation will be performed again. After that, 2 will be coming into the index. There is no need of initialization of 3 elements in a for loop. Okay, the arrival time or leaving time with respect to index are considered and initialized into the two variables called arrival and leaving. By using a for loop, I have fit into the seats u0, which has the lowest arrival time, I mean lowest leaving time compared to arrival. That means, let us take an example. Initially all the seats are 0, leaving times are also 0 for the first element. So arrival is 4. So arrival 0 greater than 4, all the zeros are greater than, sorry, 0 less than 4. All the values of the leaving time are less than 4. The seats will be filled with 0. After that, seat assigned for the first person is -1, which will be changed later on. I have reinitialized a for loop with the j and to n. If seats of j, all the seats are 0, so it checks the first seat. The first seat is 0, so the first seat will be assigned to the first person. That means seats of 1, which will be changed to 1, seats of j will be changed to 1. The seats will be updated to 100 as first person has occupied the seat 1. Okay, the leaving time of the first person is updated. That means 4 comma 0 comma 0, the first person leaving time is 4, and the assigned seat for the first person is 0. Okay, the 0th chair will be occupied by first person. After that, if it is if it is filled, then the loop will be break. If it is not filled, the next person, for the second person, the seats will be updated to 1 1 0 1 comma 1 comma 0, and the leaving time will be updated to 4 comma 2 comma 0, and the seat assigned to the second person is 1. The index at the second person, that means 1 is equal to target friend 1. We have to find the seat for the target friend, so directly seat assigned is will be returned, that is 1 will be returned to this. For the third person, the seats will be updated like 1 1 1, as there is 1 0 0, as the first person will leave at fourth time interval, the third person will come into the party at fourth time interval. So third person will directly go into the first person seat, so the seat remains 1110 itself. The leaving time will be updated to 4 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 6. This is the leaving time. The seat assigned for the third person is 0 itself, and the loop breaks. This is the way the code works. I will be giving the code in the description also. Thank you. Works, but the time complexity is n cube. That is only the case, but it is a brute force approach and easily understandable. Thank you.